Direct message not showing on TikTok app. Hello guys, so all what you want to do is open the settings and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and now all what you want to do on this page is wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll like this until you find TikTok. When you find it, click on it. Now click here on the force stop option and click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. After that, you have to go to the notifications management and disable all the notifications like this. Now, all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for TikTok and click on update right here. If you found this update option, this means that you don't have latest version of TikTok and you should update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.